Tradovate, how to set stop loss and take profits. In this video I'll show you exactly how to set a stop loss and take profit in Tradovate. This works whether you're using the web platform, desktop app or mobile. So start by opening any futures chart in Tradovate, click buy market or sell market or place a limit order directly on the chart. Before confirming the order, look at the order ticket and turn on attached orders. This allows you to set both stop loss and take profit at the same time. Under attached orders, select bracket. This generates two fields automatically: profit target, stop loss. You can set them in ticks, price or currency depending on your preference. Then in the stop loss box, type the number of ticks you want. For example, 10 ticks for scalping and 20 to 40 for wider moves. Tradovate will show the dollar risk based on your contract size. And now enter your profit target in ticks. As you type, you'll see your reward to risk ratio update on the order preview. And then tap on place order and your bracket automatically attaches to your entry. You'll now see two lines on the chart. Red line stop loss, green line take profits. You can drag your stop loss or take profit to a new price level. Tradovate instantly recalculates ticks and dollar amounts. And that's how you set the stop loss and take profits in Tradovate. If this tutorial helped you manage your trades more safely, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what futures trading guide you want next.